Hi, my name is Richa. I'm from Beirut, Lebanon. I did my medical education and otolaryngology residency at the St. Joseph University Faculty of Medicine in Beirut, Lebanon. After residency, I moved to the United States and I completed a head and neck surgical oncology fellowship at Roswell Park Cancer Center up in Buffalo, New York, and then at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York City. I've always wanted to be a physician since a young age. I find the profession fascinating. When it comes to otolaryngology itself, I was very interested after completing an ENT rotation during my medical education. I found the head and neck anatomy to be completely fascinating, as well as diverse procedures, pathologies, and techniques used in this field. I've also had very, very great mentors during my medical education that kind of inspired me to pursue otolaryngology and mainly head and neck surgical oncology. As a head and neck surgical oncologist, I mainly treat pathologies and tumors of the salivary glands, the thyroid gland, the throat, the oral cavity, and the skin. Specifically when it comes to head and neck cancer, it can be a devastating diagnosis. It can impact your activities of daily life, like eating, talking, and swallowing. So being a head and neck surgical oncologist, you kind of develop a long-term relationship with the patient. You're there with them at every step from their initial diagnosis up to their final days of treatment. So you're always going to be there with them. I've had a great opportunity offered here at Nebraska Medicine. As you know, UNMC is an academic tertiary referral center. So by working here, we have access to a lot of resources. We can be part of a multidisciplinary team, which allow us to kind of care for patients with more complex cases, and we can deliver our best clinical care possible. We also can be involved in high quality research. We're also involved in education of the residents and medical students, which will allow us to train the next generation of physicians. So when I'm not practicing medicine, I enjoy spending time with my fiance. We love to travel, discovering new areas, experiencing new cultures. I also love cooking and trying new cuisines. I'm a big foodie at heart.